Interested in becoming an accredited partner with SMDC? It's easier than you might think. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Navigate to www.portalsmdc.com. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click SMDC Accreditation Login. Step 3. Ask our SMDC specialist to select the position for which you are applying. Step 4. Either upload the requirements or send them to us later. Step 5. Receive a copy of the SMDC's official accreditation documents via email. And that's it. You can start your business already and wait for further instructions to ensure your success with SMDC.